doing zero calibration, press this button and the zero display will blink. Now keep the probe in the base plate without any foil. So it's 0. Keep the probe 3 or 4 times and then press and hold this button and the 0 display will go off. Now we will do the calibration of the foils. So press the cal button once. We will do for 50 micron. Keep the foil over the base plate. Now place the probe on the foil and raise it after 1 beep. Okay, it's 49.5, but now we have to adjust to 50 micron. So press this button until the display shows 50 micron. Okay, so now it's 50 micron. Then press this button to confirm the second point calibration. So now the second point calibration for 50 micron is over. Now we will do the third point calibration. We will take 98 micron. Place the probe on the foil and raise it after 1 beep. Okay, it's 98.4. We will adjust to 98.0 exactly. Okay. Now press the left button to confirm the third point calibration. And now we will do the fourth point calibration. We will take 250 micron foil, keep it in the base plate, place the probe once, it's 249, so adjust it to 250 and then press the left button to confirm. So now the calibration is over. To exit the calibration mode, press this cal button once. Okay. Now we will verify the foil one by one so that to ensure that calibration we carried out is correct or not. Now we will do the zero calibration or zero testing. Okay, it's 0.0. We will verify the 50 micron. It's 49.0. 49.5, almost there. 98 micron. It's 98.0 exactly. And then 250. It's 253. So that's all the calibration.